First of all, thank you very much for clicking on my video, and I hope you are having a fantastic day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this button in Figma. To be specific, how to make this auto layout button. Well, there are several advantages of it, and one of those is maintaining proper padding. If you're working on a larger project or even a smaller project, button could be a hassle. Every time you change the text, the length of the text change, and you have to fix the padding manually every single time. On top of that, if there's an icon, there is more pain. But if you convert it into an auto layout, your life would be much more easier, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm ababir and welcome to my channel Design Thinking. Let's get into it. Now, let me start with the button design, and I'll select a rectangle tool to draw a simple rectangle. Give it a more proper size, maybe 120 by 45 pixel is good for now. Place it in the center, give it a slight border radius, maybe 5 pixel. Give it a good color. Make it a little brighter, lighter for better contrast. Also give it a border, bright border, a bit thicker. You know what, the border is bright enough, let's make it darker. Now place a text, let's call it text. Place it in the middle. Nice, select all. And click on the auto layout from here. As you can see, the auto layout options appeared here. And before I fix the padding, let's see what's the padding condition at this point. It's not that good. Click on the auto layout, click here, make it center. Make the top padding about 15 pixel, bottom also 15, for the left 20 pixel, right also 20. Now, if you select the text from the layer and type anything in here, it will maintain the padding and adjust the size of the button as per the length of the text. And you can literally write anything and you do not have to worry about the padding ever. It's nice, isn't it? Now, let's say I'm going to put some icon to the button. By the way, I'm using a plugin called Feather Icon, and it has literally very good collection of icons. And if you want to see a video on my plugin list, you can just let me know in the comment section. Okay, let's select some random icons from here. Now these icons are actually outside of the frame. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select all from the layer tab, drag outside of the frame and pull it back in. Now as you can see in the layer, all of my icons are into the frame. Make it white. Now I'm going to drag and drop it into the auto layout frame. Perfect. All of my icons are into the auto layout and well organized. Now as you can see, the number 10 here, it means the distance between the text and the icon is 10 pixel. And you can change this gap very handy way. Now it's 15 pixel and the padding is still the same. But there is a little problem here. As I'm hiding the icon from the tab, the shape of the button is not changing. And even if I change the text, it's not responding. So to fix it, go to the constraint and resizing option right here. It says left, click on it. The fixed option is selected here and I don't want it to be fixed, I want it to be flexible. So to make it flexible, I'll select hug content and there you go. So now if you write anything, it will respond and resize. Fantastic. And not just that, it will also respond with the icons. So if I hide or unhide any icon from the layer, the button will be resized accordingly. Nice. Now you can use this auto layout button without any worry anywhere you want. Now what if I told you that you can just drag and drop a button into the design that you designed it previously You can put an icon into the button using a toggle, and you can also change the icons from a very handy drop down. Well, for that you have to watch my next video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And thank you very much for watching till the end, and I will see you in the next video.